Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Septi Wardani. I am from the Faculty of Health Science, Universitas Muhammadiyah Magelang. I want to present my study in the 5 Borobudur International Symposium 2023. The title of my study is Clinical Manifestation of Digestive Problems Among Children with COVID-19 Review. In introduction, why I doing this review, because as we know that the clinical condition experienced by children with COVID-19 have milder symptoms than adults. However, due to the high population of children, it is the main cause of community spread of SARS-CoV-2 in children. The majority of COVID-19 children who are hospitalized also experience multi-system inflammatory syndrome in children with the main system of gastrointestinal disorders in addition to respiratory symptoms. So I did this review to describe how the clinical manifestation of digestive problems in children with COVID-19. In method, the literature search used to database PubMed and ScienceDirect. Keyword include our pediatric COVID-19 and clinical manifestation of digestive problem. The select article focus on original research in English and published from 2018 to 2021. With inclusion criteria, the subject is a child, multi-system inflammatory syndrome children, or MISC, has comorbidity and has clinical sign of gastrointestinal disorders. Data extraction was carried out on all article font with the selection of first author, year, place of study, purpose, population, comorbid, and gastrointestinal characteristic. The purpose of the literature analysis is to describe the gastrointestinal characteristic of children infected with SARS-CoV-2. In the result, and this is a Price diagram. From the database, 25 articles were obtained, screening was carried out, and 15 articles were excluded because there were duplication. Subsequently, 10 eligible articles were found, but 4 were excluded because of the non-MISC or non-multisystem inflammatory syndrome in children. Finally, our 6 articles were found that were suitable and used. And then in the result, next result, from the 6, judging from the research site, they are spread all over the world, namely Brazil, England, Chile, Oman, and China. All research conducted a study with the aim of describing the clinical characteristic of children with confirmed COVID-19, including gastrointestinal characteristic. From the 6 literature review, it was found that the research subject were children who were in the age range 0 to 16 years, were hospitalized and experienced MISC or multi-inflammatory syndrome in children. Of the 6 journals, there are 5 journals that show that children have comorbidity. The majority of comorbidities experienced are asthma, congenital heart disease, and neuromuscular disease. from all the literature, it was found that the confirmed gastrointestinal symptoms experienced in children were diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and dehydration. In conclusion, we conclude this my study, this literature review saw that the main manifestation of digestive problems in children infected with the coronavirus is diarrhea. Diarrhea occurs due to direct viral attack on the digestive tract, as evidenced by the detection of viral nucleocapsid protein in intestinal epithelial cell and prolonged the positive RT-PCR test of stool specimen. And then, so we recommended, in addition to the nasopharyngeal swab examination, it is necessary to consider rectal swab to determine the RT-PCR of stool specimen. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.